Well, as property values rise, homeowners in the Northland, if you live there, you could see your property tax go down.
The North Kansas City School Board will discuss cutting taxes tonight. Matt Stewart is live at North Kansas City High School to tell us why. Matt?
Good morning. Yeah, they basically want to reward all the homeowners here in the Northland for their support of the North Kansas City school system, and they want to do that by cutting property taxes. In fact, they're going to cut the property tax levy by 22 cents. That would save homeowners hundreds of dollars in property taxes, though many will still pay more than they did last year. That's because home values have gone up. They're just not going to pay as much in property taxes as they would if the tax cut never happened. North Kansas City school officials are quick to point out that homeowners pay more than their fair share of the property taxes the district receives every year. 76% of that comes from homeowners. The rest comes from businesses. See, many businesses are not paying property taxes due to incentives given to them by city leaders. In fact, of $35 million in new construction in the Northland last year, only $1 million of that is being taxed, or at least those tax dollars going into the school system. If all that $35 million was taxed, school officials say they would be able to cut the tax levy even more, saving homeowners even more money.
Well, it's going to make it very difficult in the future for us to be able to roll back the taxes for our residential communities if we continue to see these tax breaks. I mean, these are 3 generations of kids that get hit with these tax incentives because most of them are 25 years.
So the Board of Education is expected to rule on this tax levy cut tonight. It is expected to pass. And by the way, even with this cut, North Kansas City schools are still seeing about a 2% increase in their budget due to all those home values rising. Matt Stewart, Fox 4 News.